Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove or how to hide Excel grid lines. Okay, here you will see these are the grid line. Okay, and you want to hide these grid lines or you want to remove these grid lines. In this video you will learn how to do it. Okay, so I will make it pure white. Okay, the background should, if you want to make the background pure white, this video will show you how to do it. So here there are two ways by which you can easily remove the grid lines. Okay, first is to go to page layout, then here you will see option view. So if it is checked, you have to just uncheck it and then you will see this all the background is pure white and grid lines has been disappear or hide. Okay, so and so like this you can remove the grid lines, and if you go to view, here you will see if it is checked you have to uncheck and you will see the grid lines has been disappeared. Okay, so like this you can hide or remove grid lines in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.